हरि ओम। जय श्री राधे कृष्णा। श्रीमद् भगवद गीता चैप्टर नंबर 3 श्लोका नंबर 18। नैव तस्य कृतेनार्थो नाकृतेनेह कश्चन न चास्य सर्वभूतेषु कश्चिदर्थ व्यपाश्रयः। Supreme Lord Shri Krishna says, such self-realized souls have nothing to gain by what they do in this world, nor anything to lose by what they leave undone. Nor do they depend on other living beings to fulfill their self-interest. Shri Krishna further elaborates the point that he made in the last shloka. He had told that a self-realized person has no more obligatory duties to perform as they are situated on the transcendental platform of the soul. There, each activity is in the service of God. The compulsion to act comes from two anxieties. One, the anxiety to gain something from the action. And two, the anxiety to avoid the loss which might be ours by the non-performance of action. To one who is living in the experience of the self, his contentment is such that he has neither anything to gain by acting, naiva kritenartha, nor anything to lose by not acting, na kriteneha kaschana. Sometimes we work under yet another compulsion in social living. We often depend on others for some favor or other, and this false relationship brings extra duties upon us. The man of realization in the contentment of the self and its eternal fullness has no selfish dependence upon anyone for anything. Na chasya sarvabhudeshu kaschidartha vyapashraya. In these two shlokas, God has spoken about the self-realized person or Jivan Mukta. But the ordinary seeker has still to go a long way before reaching the goal. He should perform action with detachment and devotion to God. For example, we see people having completed their period of service, qualifying themselves for pension, and live a stress-free life. This does not apply to youngsters who are still workers or students. They should do their work and complete their term of work, and then only they qualify themselves for receipt of pension. So, with the exception of a handful of perfect ones, all of us must perform our duties in society or be crushed by the wheel of action. Hari Om. Jai Shri Radhe Krishna.